In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the speed of a video clip in a timeline. This technique is incredibly useful if you want to create slow motion effects or speed up footage to move quickly through less interesting parts, providing a more dynamic viewing experience. To start, you'll need to drag your clip into a sequence on the timeline. Once your clip is in position, right-click on it and select the option Speed Duration from the drop-down menu. This will open a dialog box where you can make all the necessary adjustments to the speed of your clip. Now, let's explain how you can modify the settings you see in this dialog box. You'll notice there's an option to change the speed measured in percentage. This setting is crucial for altering how fast or slow you want your footage to play. If you set the slider above 100%, you'll be making the clip play more quickly. This can be particularly effective if you want to add a sense of urgency or excitement to your scene. On the other hand, if you set it below 100%, you'll slow your footage down, which can create dramatic, slow-motion effects. Beyond just speed adjustments, you have the option to change the clip's duration. By doing this, you can make your clip longer or shorter, which will naturally adjust the speed to match the new length. This dual capability means that when you have a strict duration in mind for a particular segment, changing the duration can help you achieve the perfect timing without manually adjusting the percentage speed. An important factor to remember is audio. When you adjust the speed of a clip, the audio pitch can change, leading to unnatural sound effects. To maintain the original audio quality, you'll want to select the Maintain Audio Pitch option. Checking this box ensures that the audio does not sound distorted or unnatural, preserving the professional quality of your final product. Once you've made all your selections, go ahead and click OK. The clip will now play at the new speed or duration you've selected, bringing your creative vision closer to reality. By understanding these essential steps, you can manipulate time within your video project to deliver the desired impact to your audience. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. It's a simple skill that can add a lot of value to your video editing toolbox. Keep experimenting with different speeds and durations to see what best suits the mood or pacing of your project. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.